This is a SnowTrax product feature.
You know, over the years, we have tested a lot of two-up seats here at Snowtraxtv. Some of them are universal and don't really do the job all that well. Some of them are brand specific and don't give you too many choices. But today, I'm going to show you some that give you lots of choices and work on both Ski-Doo and Polaris sleds, doing the job extremely well. SEATJACK is a Kimpex brand two-up seat line that features two styles of seats, both the upgraded DX with the high backrest for comfort, as well as heated hand grips and even wind guards for staying extra warm on those long rides, as well as the LT option, which removes all the bells and whistles and gives you a very simple yet functional two-up seat that'll get the job done and save you a lot of money in doing so. No matter which seat you choose, swapping to another brand, should you buy a different sled, only requires buying the brand-specific mount. So you buy the SEATJACK once and can take it along with you. Now you might be thinking, I've seen SEATJACK before. You're absolutely right, and I've tested a whole lot of them, but these new DX and LT models have been seriously overhauled. The DX in particular has been redesigned and improved in many ways, not the least of which is the reduction in total weight by 50%. Yes, they cut the weight in half, and with today's lightweight sleds, that's a pretty big deal, because you don't want to haul around more weight than you need to. On top of the big weight drop, the SEATJACK is a low-profile compact design that still allows for serious passenger comfort and a style that doesn't stand out. And by that, I mean the SEATJACK is a nice-looking two-up seat. It's not clunky, it's not large, and it's not visually distracting. And with today's really pretty-looking, really sleek and lean two-stroke and four-stroke sleds, nobody wants a chunky two-up seat. With my Polaris mount installed on my SEATJACK, the only thing that I have to install on the Polaris sled itself are these little 4 aluminum button tabs. That's all we need to make a SEATJACK work, and it's the only thing left on my VR1 when I take it off. So Dad can stay cool for one-up riding, and the days I've got the kids with me, I just drop the SEATJACK onto the 4 tabs and voila, I'm riding 2-up. It's so simple, it's incredibly hidden. 12-volt power is supplied with an underseat harness for the DX to supply 2 heat settings on the hand warmers as well as a 12-volt plug-in shield input. Kimpex truly did think of everything. So maybe you don't need something quite as big as the DX, but you still want two-up potential. Maybe you're minimalist in need or you're work-focused. Let's take a look at the LT. Utilizing the same brand-specific mounts, one for Polaris and a second for BRP and Lynx, the LT version bolts onto your specific mount and then secures to the tunnel the same way the DX version does. Simple and low profile. Now the LT seat is very different in function with an ergonomic low-rise backrest and basic but safe passenger handles. It's a great option for the sled that is at the cottage or the second sled that you just don't have a huge two-up seat demand for, but you want to be ready for the few times that you do need it. Sure, there's less features, but it's also quite a bit cheaper than the DX as well, making it a great option for those who want the capability but don't want all the extras. Now, it might also be the perfect fit for backcountry riders or utility sled folks, as the smaller design of the LT means you get more access and open rear cargo space for maximizing tunnel attachment points, and this may be something to consider when making the purchase. The LT is also lighter than the DX version, so it's very easy for anyone to install or remove, and takes up a bit less space in the garage or trailer when you're not using it. There comes a time in every sledder's life where two-up capabilities are a requirement. Maybe it's the significant other, maybe it's the kiddos. I don't know, but for me, I love having a SEATJACK equipped sled because it means that no matter what I'm doing, I always have the option of taking somebody extra along. And when it comes to snowmobiling, nobody finds out just how much fun it is until we take them out for a ride.
Make sure to subscribe and comment below for real interaction with the SnowTrax crew.